Today we got a video from Lens of Law, and the title of the video is Police Called for Help, Left with an Arrest.
On April 21st, 2024, officers with the Melbourne Police Department responded to a residence in Florida after reports that a woman named Brittany had been sending alarming messages suggesting she wanted to harm. However, what began as a routine welfare check would escalate into a volatile situation.
Seriously? Hey. Hi. Hey, I'm also Lopez, Melbourne Police Department. What's going on tonight?
Nothing.
Okay. So why are you sending text messages to your husband? They said you want to harm me.
Hey, do me a favor, just hang out over there, okay, please?
I'm gonna go inside with my kids.
No, you're not.
Okay, you're just...
No, you're not.
Okay, first of all, stop.
No,
Okay.
first of all,
no.
he's not, because they already know what's going on.
Okay, doesn't matter. And
And he left. He left.
Okay, it's his house too.
And it's
Unless you guys are divorced and I missed something, because last time I was here, y'all were married and y'all lived in this house together.
No, we were never married.
And he owned the house last
He
time.
owns the house,
Okay,
but we have
then
children
you can't tell
together.
him he can't go inside.
Okay, he can go inside.
Okay, all right.
It's his house, his kids. We'll do it that way.
I got you. Okay.
But he left.
Okay, but
he left and he left. No, you can't go in there.
No one's gone. Hi, buddy.
No.
I'm not going into your residence, ma'am.
Somebody just walked on the other side of my house.
It's him and I are the only two here.
Somebody just walked on that side.
He did. He walked on the other side. He's allowed to. It's his house. Okay, stop. Stop.
I'm going to sit down.
Nope, as of right now, I'm detaining you.
Okay,
Nope,
no,
I'm
I'm going to sit. I'm sitting.
Stand up.
Why?
Because you're not listening. I told you I was detaining you, and I meant I was detaining you.
Okay.
Because as of right now, you've made...
Not listening. You're not listening. You got to put your listening ears on. Your listening ears on, not the regular ones. Man, she's doing, I think definitely detaining her and stuff like that is a good thing, because she's doing too much moving around, walking around. She arguing with her husband and all this other stuff. Let's get some control over it, and let's start over.
threats to harm until you're going to be placed under a Baker Act.
The officers responded to the residence due to a series of concerning messages Brittany had allegedly sent prior to their arrival. According to the arrest affidavit, some of those messages included statements such as, "I'd rather and I don't want to live anymore."
Let go.
Yeah, look over the keys, okay?
Let him go. I just...
Okay, well, like I
when
said,
you detain me,
would you
I'm gonna
please
sit
stop
down.
moving? Okay, the
Sorry.
handcuffs are going to be all twisted
No,
because
then
you
I have a broken wrist on this.
Okay, I'm not going to put it tight. I'm not going to put it tight.
We'll fix it once we...
And can I sit, please?
Okay, do you...
And a shirt.
Okay, so first...
Like, I do not, yeah.
Hey, what's your first name?
What's
your name?
to give that to you.
Okay, all right.
All right,
Cool.
well, let me put it this way. It's fine.
No, it's okay. I'm going to sit down.
5102, Melba, 6528. Go ahead and have a seat.
So what's your age, okay?
Quebec Papa X-ray Tango 09 Black Audi.
She said... He lives there, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm going to
he
go
left.
talk to him.
Copy.
Have him go check on the kids.
You already went, he went that way. He already walked inside.
Ran on the...
Okay, okay, it doesn't matter. He lives here, it's his house. Stop. We're not going into who can be here and who can't be
why
here.
can't I run inside?
Because you're detained at this point in time.
Well, before I was detained.
Nope, you were detained from the minute I walked up to this car.
Why?
Because of the statements you made to wanting to harm you. You are
You
now
arrested
under a
me
Baker
before.
Act. I'm not arresting you. I'm placing you under a Baker Act.
It doesn't matter. You've done this to me before. Can I please have a
I arrested
t-shirt?
you on a domestic charge. You are correct.
Yeah. And
Like 2
that
years
was
ago.
dropped.
Okay.
What, 2 days ago?
I said 2 years ago.
It wasn't 2 years, but can I please have a shirt?
We'll go get it.
All right. You know what? How about this? Put your cuffs on or I'm going tonight. I'm not doing this. I'm not playing.
Okay, no, I got it. We'll exchange later.
Perfect. Sounds good.
Get my hair out of my mouth because I'm about to choke. No, it's like in my mouth. I'm not stupid. I know what this is. Okay.
Wait, what happened?
No. No, my hair is in my mouth. Is what I'm saying. Please. Please. My hair.
That's the stuff to restrain her. But they really only do that if she was wrestling. We missed the whole match, man. We missed the good part. What is this? Come on, Lens of Law. Get it together.
In my teeth. Please.
I give you several chances to do that.
I knocked. Again, this is what they're doing.
Anakin, sit her down. Sit down.
No.
Sit down.
I will not.
Sit down.
Why?
Sit down.
Get me in the car. I have hair in my teeth.
Alright, so she needs to
No,
lay
it's
down,
like all
face down.
in there. No.
Lay her down.
No. Nope.
Oh, okay. Here we go.
Would you stop?
No, I won't. Not until you get my hair out of my teeth. I will not.
I'm here, man.
You know, stuff like this is sad because I'm sure she was not always like that. I don't think he would get with somebody that's, you know, she not really wrapped too tight. Who knows? I don't know. Whatever. Love who you love. But if I had to take a guess, she was fine, and then something happened for her to, you know, start to go off the rails and stuff like this, and have these thoughts and all of that type of stuff.
I got her leg. Don't do that.
Oh, I will do that.
Watch your hands.
Oh. Don't touch my hands.
Damn. Wrapping you up like a burrito, boy.
Take him down.
What? Really? I didn't try to take you down.
Absolutely, man.
No, I did not. I just.
Okay, kind of rolling this way.
No, I did not. I just picked up my legs. I never touched you.
Are you kidding me? You on that side? Yeah.
See? And that's the part we missed.
You. I never touched you. I picked up my legs. Are you kidding me? All I asked for was clothes. No, I did not.
Yeah, fine. That's pretty good. Let it go.
Yeah, we missed the good part, guys. This ain't.
What's on that? Yeah, I got you. Let me get the cones out of my car. Yeah, I got you.
I never touched you.
Whatever's easier for you to get her in.
Whatever.
Man, they gotta be more footage than this, man. This shit boring. I ain't gonna lie to you. What the hell?
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna try to sit you up, okay?
Sorry.
I'm gonna try to shift you so you sit up, okay?
Okay.
Hey.
Ow! Ow!
Alright. You're better now.
As officers attempted to move Brittany to the patrol vehicle, according to the arrest affidavit, officers alleged that Brittany intentionally wrapped one of her legs around an officer's leg, causing him to fall to the ground. That allegation would ultimately become the basis for some of the most serious charges filed against her.
This is hers. If you want to come on, I can explain to you what's going on. So, you know, she was going to be placed under Baker Act, but she decided to strike an officer for some reason. So she's going to be charged with battery LEO, resisting, and she's going to be placed under Baker Act. She's going to go up to, we're going to go to the hospital, get her medically cleared. She's going to go up to Sharps, which is the county jail.
Yeah.
Okay. As you said, we're trying to reason with her. I was as calm as I can be, try to explain everything to her, but I can smell the alcohol off her. She's intoxicated, so it's kind of hard to do that. You just cannot reason with drunk people. I can't. I try to explain it to her. The other officer did too, but
I'll believe you, man. I know.
okay. Other than the text message, did she call you, say anything at all, or?
No, I don't pick up the phone when she calls.
No. Okay. Can you do me a favor? Raise your right hand for me. I'm just trying to get a sworn statement. State your full name and date of birth.
Kaliki.
You sort of told the truth, nothing but the whole truth.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much. So that's what's going to happen, and then I guess you'll probably try
Wait,
to...
what was the statement?
Did it again.
Okay. All right, sir.
As a result of her actions during the encounter, Brittany was charged with battery on a law enforcement.
Hold on. What was the statement? Typically, when they do that, they're going to go through the whole thing. All right, what happened? And go through. That was the statement? She called you and, I didn't pick up. That's the statement? Oh, boy.
Enforcement officer, resisting an officer with violence, and resisting an officer without violence. If you enjoyed this video and want...
Man, that shit, man, why y'all put this up, man? This shit, whatever. Beggars can't be choosers, right? We're gonna live with it. But that shit, listen. Some of these, man, your boy was nodding out. I don't blame you if you. I don't blame you. You know what I'm saying? I'm sitting here looking at it too. You know what I'm saying? Nodding out, man. This shit, the most entertaining part, you just completely skipped and left that footage out. The most entertaining part, where they actually was getting busy or whatever she being charged with. She kicked the officer or whatever. You just completely skipped that whole part, man. Damn, this was bad. I ain't gonna lie.